So the talk on Wall Street this week was all about the taco trade, but Yahoo Finance senior columnist Rick Newman has his own take that the premise of the taco trade isn't true. And Rick joins me now. How so, Rick?
I'm sorry, guys. So if you said Trump sometimes chickens out, you'd be right. But the Tisco trade, it just did. I mean, it doesn't work.
It doesn't roll off the tongue.
I mean, look, I love the memes. I love the Trump in the chicken suit with the feathers, the tacos on his gold jacket and stuff. But I mean,
he didn't look happy to be asked that question.
He hated the question.
He did not enjoy that question,
which made it even more fun, to be honest. Yeah. But look, I mean, I've been following every step of the way here. Trump is, at the end of the day, we are going to end up with tariffs on imports, taxes on imports that are going to be something like 6 times, 8 times, or 10 times higher than when Trump took office. So where we stand right now, worth reminding people, Trump took office with the average tariff on imports at 2.5%. It's now around 18%. That is with the emergency tariffs in place. We now know that there's some question legally about whether those will stand. The Supreme Court is going to decide that. But if the courts do end up shooting down all those emergency tariffs, Trump's got at least 4 other ways that he can impose these tariffs. He did some of them in 2018 and 2019, so we know they're likely to be more durable legally. And Trump is going to do it. I mean, people who know Trump, I mean, if you haven't been paying attention, Trump is a true believer in tariffs, despite all the evidence. This is going to make the economy worse off on it. He is going to do it. He's going to find a way to do it. So Trump sometimes chickens out, but he does not always chicken out.
What do you make of the market response to all this? In the sense, we're about to wrap up what was a solid month for stocks, Rick, and a big rebound off the April low. Even the bond market, we were talking earlier, it's taken a deep breath. It's calmed a bit. The benchmark 10-year back to 4.4. What do you make of that?
Trump lowered the China tariffs from 145% to 30%. That's the answer, right there.
Chicken out, Rick.
He didn't, because if he didn't completely chicken out, if he did, he would have taken it from 145% back to no additional tariffs. But so that's where we are. We went from started with no. I mean, there were already tariffs on Chinese imports, but the new ones are 30% right now. Trump went from 145% to 30%. So that represents the whole strategy, which is he starts out super high and ends up somewhere that's not as bad, but still somewhat uncomfortable.
Rick, thank you. Always
Bye,
appreciate
guys.
it.